Welcome to our R&R channel.
Right, now we'll go with this one because it's got 3 weights. So what we are doing here, we're winding the clock by bringing the weights up underneath the body of the clock. It will run for 24 hours. So each weight, we're getting the other end of the chain. We're bringing it up very slowly. Now you see when I'm winding, I'm pulling the chain down in a straight line. I'm not pulling the chain out towards me, which is many people will do, and you can roll the chain off the spindle inside the clock, which means then you have to re-thread. I did have the visitor information. Right?
Yeah, just had to get my shirt and a couple of things and I better go and open up now.
Okay. And it's a terrible job to get the chain back on the spindle. So when you're winding, you're very, very careful. Make sure you keep your chain in a straight line. And exactly the same with our weight activator, which are all wound up. We're very careful winding him. This little fellow. Well, we try. You might need occasionally. See, some of these have got cuckoos, most of them haven't. And he's time only. No, we've got no cuckoo in that one. What have we got in this little fellow? There we are, we've got a little cuckoo in him.
Swinging boy.
Well, we haven't got a lot of choice at the moment. These are quite cute. That's a little pup. Why don't we pop him on and just see what he'll do? So, he's got a little cuckoo. You can tell your friends if you go to Omeo, call into the clock shop. Wait till I see if you're bim bam. They call them a bim bam strike. Now, he may not be turned on to bim bam. That's what you get. Hear that little strike? He'll have a little turn off lever inside there. So very, very soft, wouldn't disturb you at all. So he's on Westminster. Far enough. There we go. There's not many places in Australia now that actually beeping and squeaking somewhere. I don't know which one. Oh, it might be. Yeah, to the right. That's correct. Just go around slowly. Now make sure you don't touch your hour hand as you're going around. We have to leave our hour hand where we are. Perfect. Now, as soon as it triggers or as soon as the door opens, stop moving your hand. Right, perfect. I'll have to check him. He might need some new batteries. Occasionally people will actually... That's right, they just keep going forward, perfect. And you get nothing until you get to the hour. Now, round to half hour, and he'll play music for you. He'll cuckoo and play music. I love him. I like the little foreign man. He's a pretty little... See, those two are very similar, but they've got different things on the front. The owls and the other one is Heidi and... Clementine. He probably might cook it. He might cook it for me. I'm just about to ring up about him.